everyone. When x to the power of a equals y to the power of b equals 6, for positive numbers, x and y, plus x and y cannot equal 1, we're going to express log base xy of x cubed with a and b. So we're going to fool around with this using our rules of logarithms. So basically, if we have x to the power of a equals y to the power of b equals 6, then using my formula here, I can write them as logs. So I can write this as a, let's just look at x to the power of a equals 6. So that means that a equals log base x of 6. All right, and then we can do the same thing with b. b equals log base y of 6. Now, anytime you see where our value here is the same, but our bases are different, we can use this formula here to switch that around. So basically that formula, write it bigger. Log base b of a equals 1 divided by log of base a of b. So I want to switch my bases. I want to make these base 6. So that means I'm going to have log base 6 of x. Now instead of a, it's going to be a fraction, which is going to be 1 divided by a. And similarly, we're going to have log base 6 now of y. We're switching these around, but we have to reverse this as 1 divided by b. All right. Now that makes it easier. We're going to have the same base. Our base is going to be 6. Now what we have is this, log base xy of x cubed. Since this is not base 6, we're going to use our change of base formula here and write this as log of x cubed divided by log of xy. And of course we can pick any base we want. We want base 6. So put a 6 here. All right, so now that we have that, let's just simplify everything. This one, using your power rule here, it's going to equal 3 times log base 6 of x. And then for this one, we're going to use our product rule for logs and expand it, write it as a sum. So this is going to be log base 6 of x plus log base 6 of y. And real quick here, this is going to be 3 times 1 divided by a divided by 1 divided by a plus 1 divided by b. All right, now that we have that, I'm going to write that again. We've got to simplify that a little bit. Let's see. Okay, we have, let me write it again. We have 3 times 1 divided by a, and then a plus, 1 divided by a plus 1 divided by b. All right. The numerator is just going to be 3 divided by a. You get your common denominator of ab, and then you just do the butterfly method. That's going to be b plus a. All right, so basically we have 3 divided by a, divided by this, which means times a, b divided by, you can switch this around. Let's put a plus b. All right, and what happens is these two a's will cancel. So we're going to get this equals 3b divided by a plus b. Or you could have b plus a. It doesn't really matter. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.